Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to continue the vectors differentiation second part. You see here, we are going to do a question on angle between the surfaces. Actually, angle between the surfaces is nothing but the angle between the normals to the surfaces. Therefore, its formula is cos theta equals to, suppose we are having two surfaces, f1 and f2. Then angle between the surfaces is cos theta equals to del f1 dot del f2 divided by mod of del f1 into mod of del f2. So let we continue with doing an easy question. Let us start this question. Find the angle between the surfaces. Let first one, let we denote by f1 equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus 9, and let we denote this as f2, x square plus y square plus z square minus 9. Bring this z here, so we can write like this: x square plus y square minus z minus 3. Now let you find the three differentiations partially with respect to x, y, z. The x square is 2x. Now partial differentiation with respect to y, dou f1 by dou y. Y square is 2y. In the same way, dou f by dou z will be 2z. Dou f1 by dou z equals to 2z equals to 2z. Sorry, it is given at the point. At point, point is not given, no? At the point 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 2, so 2 minus 1 2, at the point 2 minus 1 2. So let me substitute the point also. If we substitute here points, what will be this? Okay, let me substitute afterwards. Now see here, what we are having, this formula dou f1 equals to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Now this we get dou f1 equals to dou by dou x is 2x. If you substitute the point here, if you substitute the point here, 2, so 2 2s are 4, so this will become 4i. J is minus 1 to minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 2j. 2 into 2 is 4, z is 4 plus 4k. So we got dou f1. Similarly, let me find dou f2. Dou f2 by dou x, x square is 2x. Dou f2 by dou y, 2y. Dou f3 by dou f2 by dou z, z is minus 1. So if you substitute the point, 2 2s are 4, minus 2, and this is minus 1 only. Therefore, del f2 equals to I dou f by dou x is 4, 4i, j into this will be minus 2j minus k. So we got the del f1 and del f2. Therefore, no angle we want. So cos theta equals to del f1 dot del f2 divided by mod of del f1 into mod of del f2. Now let's substitute the values. 4i minus 2j plus 4k dot 4i minus 2j minus k divided by mod means magnitude. So magnitude means we have to take the squares of this. 4 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 square into under root of 4 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So let us solve this one. Cos theta equals to, how to solve the dot product? Multiply I coefficients, j coefficients and k coefficients. 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus, 4 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus 4 2 4 1s are 4 by under root of, so this will become 4 square 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 4 36 into under root of 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 21, I think. 16 20 21. See, 4 minus 4 cancel. 16 by root 36 is 6 root 21. 2 3s are 2 8s. So we got cos theta equals to 8 by 3 root 21, or we can write like this: theta equals to cos inverse 8 by 3 root 21. Now see the next question. Find the angle between the normals to the surface. Let me bring z here. F equals to, suppose, x y minus z square at two different points. So first point, let me denote by, after point substitution, f del f1 del f2. First let me differentiate with respect to x. Dou f by dou x. D by dx of x is 1, 1 into y is y. In the same way, dou f by dou x y with respect to y is 1, 1 into x is x. Now dou f by dou z with respect to z is minus 2z. So see here, we have to suppose two different points. Suppose we do not like this, like at 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma first point. Let me show this by del f1 equals to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. So this will become del f1 equals to, with we have to suppose substitute the point 1 1 1. So I into, watch carefully, we are having y value is 1, so 1 plus j into x is also 1 plus j. Now minus 2 into 1 is minus 2k. In the same way, at another point, suppose at, what is the second point, 2 4 1. Now let me substitute this del f2, let me denote by del f2. We see here we are having x here, I into y, the value of y is 4, so this will be 4y 4I. Here we are having x, the value of x is 2 plus 2j, and minus 2 into z, minus 2 into 1 minus 2k, minus 2 into 1 minus 2k. So we got the two functions. Therefore angle formula we have to use cos theta equals to del f1 dot del f2 divided by mod of del f1 mod of del f2. So this is I plus j minus 2k dot 4I plus 2j minus 2k by, actually you have to keep the arrows here, okay, but you in the exams you keep arrows on this, under root of mod del f1 square means the coefficients squares, so 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, and here also 4 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 square. What is dot product? Multiplying coefficients. 1 4s are 4 I coefficients, then j, 1 2s are 2 plus 2 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 divided by under root of 4 5 6, under root of 16 plus 4 20 plus 4 24. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10. You see here we can change this slightly. Root 6 into 24 can be written as root 6 into root 4. 6 4s are 24. So this is 10 divided by root 6 into 6 is 6 into root 4 is 2. So 2 1s are 2 5s. Therefore theta equals to cos inverse 5 by 6. Therefore theta equals to cos inverse 5 by 6. Now see here we are having some formulas. Suppose we are having a vector f equals to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Then we are having few formulas. First one is divergence of f. Del dot f. Divergence means del dot f. This is the dot product of vectors. Del dot f. Suppose del is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot f, f1i plus f2j plus f3. What is the dot product? We have to multiply two I coefficients. Therefore dou x, dou f1 by dou x, dou f2 by dou y, dou f3 by dou z. Now second one is curl f. Divergence means dot product and curl f means cross product. Curl f means cross product, del cross f. How to find the cross product? We have to find the determinant of this I, j, k. Del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And f, we have to take the coefficients f1, f2, f3. I, j, k. I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient. So curl means cross product. We have to remember this. And del means dot product. And the next two things we have to remember. One thing is, you see here, divergent of f. Suppose this value is 0, then f is called solenoidal. F is called solenoidal. If divergence is 0, then f is called solenoidal. If curl f, that is curl f is 0, cross product is 0, then we call irrotational. Divergent f dot product 0, we call solenoidal. Cross product curl f equals to 0, we say it is irrotational. Irrotational. One more thing is, in the last part we have done the questions based on gradient f. Must note the difference between this. Gradient f is del into f, whereas divergent f is del dot f. We have the difference. Here f is given, that is a scalar. Here f is a vector. So you must differentiate these formulas between them. Gradient f is I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. This is a vector, but here it is a scalar because dot product gives a scalar. Here we don't have I, j, k. We are having dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So you paperized all these formulas, you write it on a paper, and you remember this, okay? Then only you start the questions. So let me do few questions based on these methods. Now see here, there is a question on the board. Find the divergence and curl of the vector at the point 2 minus 1 1. So I wrote the vector. Now suppose here, first let you find divergent f. Okay. Suppose this is f1, sorry, v1, this is v2, this is v3. V is given now, we have to denote. So divergent of v will be, what is the formula we have wrote? Dou v1 by dou x plus dou v2 by dou y plus dou v3 by dou z. Let me use the dat formula. Okay, divergent f. Let me write the formula like it. Divergent of v equals to del dot v equals to. So del dot v is this dou v1 by. So watch carefully. Dou by dou x of v1 means this x y z plus dou by dou y of v2. V2 means this 3x square y plus dou by dou z of xz square minus y square z. Watch once more. This is v1, this is v2, this is v3. Now let me differentiate this one. D by dx of x is 1. 1 into yz will be yz plus d by dx y of this with respect to y means y is 1. 1 into 3x square is 3x square plus this with respect to z is z square, so 2xz. Z is 1. 1 into y square is y square. Let me substitute the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. So this will be y is minus 1 into z is 1 plus 3 into x is 2 square plus 2 into x into z is 1 minus y square is minus 1 square. So let me solve this one. Minus 1, 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 square is 1. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 minus 2 is 14, 16 minus 2 is 14. So we got this value. Now if let me find curl v. Curl means del cross v. So its formula is I j k, then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, then here v1 v2 v3. Now let me solve this ones. Here let me write I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then f1 we are having x y z. You see here, this is v1, this is v2, this is v3. Let me substitute these values. So v1 is xyz, v2 is 3x square y, and v3 is xz square minus y square z. Now we have to expand this determinant. First let me take I. Now we have to multiply this 2 minus this 2. Watch carefully. Dou by dou y of xz square minus y square z. This 2 minus this 2. So this will be dou by dou z of 3x square y. Always we take j in minus. So you write minus minus j. Now if you take j, you must hide this one, remove. Now multiply this into this dou by dou x of dou by dou x of xz square minus y square z minus what these two we have to multiply. Now we have taken dou by dou z of dou by dou z of x y z. Just wait. What we have taken j into this finish minus dou z of xyz. So we finish with that z. Now let me take k. Now if you take k, we have to multiply this to dou by dou x of 3x square y minus dou by dou y of xyz. Now let me solve this one. Okay. Now see here. Now just we have to differentiate and put the values. So you see here equals to I into, with respect to y, we don't have y here, it is 0. This will be minus 2yz minus d by dx of y will be 2y, so this will be minus 2yz. Watch carefully, with respect to y, we don't have y here, 0. Y square is 2y, 2yz minus, here you see here, with respect to z, we don't have z here, so it is 0. Now the second step is minus z into dou by dou z x, with respect to x, we don't have x here, 0. X is 1, 1 into z square is z square minus, watch carefully, with respect to x, x is 1, 1 into z square, 0, you don't have x. Now with respect to z is 1, 1 into minus xy minus xy. Now lastly plus k into, with respect to x, x square is 2x, 2, 2 3s are 6, 6xy minus, with respect to y, y is 1, 1 into xz is xz. So we have to substitute the point. What is the point we are having? 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So let me substitute minus 2 into y into z, y is minus 1 into z is 1 into I minus, now substitute this one, z is 1 square minus x is 2, y is minus 1 into j plus k into 6 into x is 2, y is minus 1, as x is 2 into y is z is 1. So let's finish the answer. Now see here the last step. Now let us solve the answer. What is here? Just wait. So this is minus 1 plus 2 1s are 2, 2i. So this is minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3j plus 2 6 are 12 minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. So this will be minus 14k, minus 14k. Now see here, we have to find gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z. Find the divergent of f and curl f, where f equals to, watch carefully, f is not given, f we have to find. How to find f? It is the gradient of this function. F equals to gradient of this function. So first let me find gradient of this function. Let me suppose like this, let phi equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we have to find gradient of f, sorry, gradient of phi. Its formula is I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. So let me first find this, then this will be capital F. So I into, watch carefully, dou phi by dou x with respect to x means this will be 3x square. We don't have x here, 0, 0, x is 1, 1 into 3yz, 3yz, okay, plus j into dou phi by dou y, this will be 3y square minus 3y is 1, xz, in the same way plus k into what will be this 3z square minus 3y xy. So now we got this, this is f, this is f. Now let me denote this as I, f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Now we have to suppose like this. Now what is the first form? First thing we have to find divergent of f. So divergent of f, divergent of f. See here, divergent of f, we note this formula as dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So let me substitute dou by dou x of f1. F1 is 3x square minus 3yz plus dou by dou y of f2. F2 is 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z. Dou by dou z of f3 is 3z square minus 3xy. Now the last step, we will get the divergent. You see here, now divergent f equals to, with respect to x, you don't have x here, 0, x square is 2x, so 2 3s are 6x, plus with respect to y, 6y, we don't have y here, 0, plus 6 is z, we can take common 6, so this will be x plus y plus z. So this is the divergent of f. The next step is we have to find the curl f. So let me start here itself. Now what will be the curl f? So let me do here itself. So next step is we have to find the curl f. So curl f means CUR. Curl f means del cross f. So what is the cross product? We have to take I, J, K. Here we have to take dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now lastly here f1. F1 is 3x square minus 3yz. Here 3y square minus 3xz, 3z square minus 3xy. So we have to solve this one. Okay, let me cross. Now we have to expand this determinant. See here how to start. Let me start with I into. See here we have to multiply this two. Let me do directly. Watch carefully. That is dou by dou y of this, dou by dou y of this. Okay, let me write one step. See here, dou by dou y of 3z square minus 3xy minus this 2, dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz. This is the first step. And always second is minus j. So let me take j. If you take j, you have to multiply this 2. Dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy minus this 2, dou by dou z of 3x square minus 3yz. Lastly plus k into, plus k into. Now we have to take the value for k. See here, when we take k, we have to multiply this 2 minus this 2. So this will be dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3yz. Now let me complete this. See here, now equals to I into, with respect to y, don't have y here. Here is y is 1. 1 into minus 3x minus 3x minus. This is 0 minus 3. Z is 1 minus 3x. So minus 1, this will become plus 3x. Once more, see here. With respect to z, z is 1. 1 into minus 3x minus 3x. Minus 1 is plus 3x. Now come here minus j into. Now watch, with respect to x means minus 3x minus. With respect to z, I think did we make mistake here? See here, with respect to x means x is 1, so this is minus 3y, minus 3y, so minus 3y minus, with respect to z, minus 3y minus 1 is plus 3y, lastly plus k into, with respect to x means minus 3z minus 1 is, this will become plus 3z. Now you see here, by chance this all getting cancelled. Now 0 into number 0, so we get 0. So here we get curl f equals to 0. We can also say that this curl is 0, so it is irrotational. We can do that type of questions after next, inshallah, in the next part. Okay, so we have done few questions here based on divergence and gradient and curl f. So divergence 0 means we say this is solenoidal, and curl f 0 means we say irrotation. So let me make one more part for that. Let me continue it in the next part. Okay, so I request the students to subscribe, share and like my video. Inshallah, we are going to continue the next class.